Sat Shri Akal Ji, today we're going to cook IKAN BILIS curry. So let's see the ingredient. First, you need the oil. Then we're going to use the spices, dry spices. Then we're going to fry the IKAN BILIS. After frying the IKAN BILIS, we're going to use the blended onion, garlic, ginger and red chili, the blended paste. Once we've done that, we're going to add the dry spices, salt, garam masala. I use the Baba's fish curry powder, red chili powder and turmeric. After once the dry spices is nicely cooked already, we're going to add the tomato. Once the tomato cook already, we're going to add the potato. Once the potato cook already, we're going to add the curry leaves. We're going to add the fried tahu and long beans. And at the end, once the curry almost done, we're going to add the coconut milk. So let's see how to cook. I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons cooking oil. These are the mixed spices. Inside got paguni, mustard, cumin, fennel. And we're going to add the dry chili, the red dry chili, chili kering. We're going to add the blended ikan bilis. If you want, you can add the ikan bilis, the fish, dry fish inside the onion also. It can be cooked separate or you can add in the onion. It all depends on you. Add the blended onion, ginger, garlic and chili paste. Whenever you add the blended onion paste, add the salt so the onion will be very fast cooked. Let it cook for a while. Okay, when you see the oil is already leaving the onion, it means the onion almost cooked. And because we add the salt at the earlier stage, so the onion will cook very, very fast. If you add later also can, but it's just a tip that add the salt earlier. And now we're going to add the fish curry powder, or you can add garam masala around 3 tablespoons. Red chili powder around half tablespoon. And turmeric. Add a bit of water so you don't burn your masala. In any curry, this is a very crucial step. You have to cook the masala nicely. The oil should be left the masala. Otherwise, your curry won't be nice. It will have that raw masala taste. Add a bit of again water. I'm going to slow the fire and let it cook another 3 minutes. Even though the oil already leaving already, but still I want this step to be nicely cooked. I'm going to slow the fire and let it be nicely cooked. Okay, it's been another 3 minutes. You see the oil is already leaving the masala. This is the really important step. The oil must leave the masala, then only your curry will be very nice and cooked properly. You see, it's all leaving already. I'm going to add tomato. I'm going to add curry leaves. Curry leaves is optional. A little bit of water. You can add the potato at this step and let the potato cook for a while. Potato normally will take longer time to cook if it's a normal curry, so we will add the potato first. It's been 5 minutes. The potato halfway cooked, not fully cooked. Now I'm going to add the long beans. I cut into the big size. And I'm going to add the water. Why I never add one shot the water, cook the potato and the long beans? The thing is, the curry won't be that tasty. When you add little bit by little bit the water and you start stirring, either it's a long beans curry or it's a chicken, it will give nice flavor of masala into the ingredients. So if I add one shot water, it will become very watery and the taste won't be very rich. So add little by little the water. The gravy will be really nice and delicious. I'm going to let it cook again for 3 minutes. Then I will add the full water. Okay, so it's around 3 to 5 minutes. You see the oil nicely. The veggie is nice, crunchy. The masala of the flavor, everything went into the potato, long beans. And now I'm going to add the water. The gravy water depends upon you. You want a semi-gravy, full gravy. It's all depend on you. So I want the semi-gravy. If you want, you can add another 1 or 2 cups of water. Because our tofu was already pre-fried already. So I'm going to put the tofu. I use a little bit of salt, little bit of turmeric and a little bit of oil and I air fried the tofu. So it was already cooked, so that's why I add at the last. I'm going to add more water. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add the santan, coconut milk, or you can add milk or you totally don't add anything. It's completely optional to add or not to add. Okay, so it's been 5 to 7 minutes because I tried to see whether my potato cooked already or not. So now it's cooked almost. I'm going to add the coconut milk. Around 1/4 to half cup of coconut milk. You can use the evaporate milk, you can use the normal milk, you can use the milk powder mixed with the water. And I'm going to let it cook for 2 minutes and off the gas. So here it's another 2 minutes. My curry is nicely cooked. I'm going to off the gas. I'm going to transfer the curry into this hot container, hot case. It's a Pradeep 3500 ml. I'll be using this one from last 2 to 3 years. Once I will transfer the curry into this and I will close, it will remain hot until evening. It's quite recommended to buy this Pradeep hot case. In Malaysia, you can get it from Klang. It will cost you only 150 ringgit. Thank you.